This video shows you how to install the 2x550 sheet tray to your printer. Note, this task requires a flathead screwdriver. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Open the box. Remove the packing material. Open the plastic cover, and then slide the tray out. Remove the pieces of tape from the tray. Open tray 3, remove the accessories, and then remove the pieces of tape. Close tray 3. Open tray 4, and then remove the pieces of tape. Close tray 4. Unpack the accessories for the tray. Lock the caster to keep the tray from moving. Remove the right tray cover. Align the optional 550 sheet tray, and then lower it into the 2x500 sheet tray. Remove the cover under the right side of the printer. The printer has 2 handles and 3 finger recesses for lifting. The printer requires 4 people to lift it. Align the printer with the optional trays, and then lower it into place. Pull out tray 1. Pull out tray 2. Install the screws. Insert tray 2. Insert tray 1. Using the brackets and screws, secure the rear part of tray 2 to the printer. Secure the rear part of the 2x550 sheet tray to tray 2. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.